Watch this. This is unbelievable. It's getting close to the car. I don't know what he's going to do. Let's see what's going to happen. What's this? What's this? What's this?
It stops opening,
Here
Blakey.
comes the roof's opening up. Wonder what's in there. Oh, check it out.
Here
Check it
comes
out.
the dinosaur head.
Looks like a dragon or something. Comes the second arm. Fire in the hole. Megasaurus. Built by George Carpenter. Car seat monster. Leaning forward. How many people want to see him eat this car? Make some noise.
It is hot.
Looking back and forth, kind of checking it out, making some play. Probably getting a little hot over there. Creeping forward. What's he going to do next? Let's see. Oh. Okay, he's walking up to it. He's going forward. Looks like he's going to try to grab it with his arms, I think. All right, make some noise. Let's see if he can pick the whole thing up. Looking back and forth, kind of checking everything out. Now he's picking up the car. He's twisting it back and forth. Oh, now he's really chewing it up. Got a couple pieces in his mouth there. Chewing it up, ripping it apart. Oh, there goes the doors.
You can eat our car. I don't want to be finished.
Okay, he's backing up. Looks like he's going to pick up the car again. What's he going to do now? Got his mouth wide open. Looks like he's chewing it up in little pieces. And he's backing up a little more. Shooting out some more flame. He's going to pick this car up again. Looks like he's going to take another bite out of it. Let's give him a nice round of applause so far, man. He's really turned the hell out of that car. Uh-oh. Oh, a lot of flame now. A lot of flame. What's he going to do to it now? Let's see. Set this car down a little bit. I think he's decided he's going to take another piece out of it. Looks like he's backing up again. A lot of flame. Look out. He's ripping it up. Turning it up, let's see. We got 2 pieces now. I think he's getting mad. I think he's gonna torch this baby now. Burn, baby, burn! Come on, let's make some noise for Burn Carl! Man, is he torching it now? Wish I had some hot dogs and some brats or something. I could have a little barbecue. Come on, make some noise. You're really torching this thing for us. There we go. There's one piece.
He's on fire.
Okay, looks like he's backing up. Let's see, what's he gonna do now? Is he done? He might be done.